Davenport could find itself wrapped up in another lawsuit where a former employee says the workplace was toxic.
Yeah, this comes after several lawsuits, complaints, and payouts to other disgruntled employees who alleged harassment at City Hall. TV6 Investigates Matt Christensen is here, and you have one of the latest complaints, Matt, and this is the first time anyone is seeing them outside of this investigation.
Yeah, that's right, William. A former lawyer for the city of Davenport says she's been a victim of harassment and discrimination from city leaders and elected officials. It's a 22-page complaint to the Iowa Civil Rights Commission where Mallory Bagby claims she was driven out of city government for bringing the issues to light. Issues like being called a girl in the workplace and being a target of officials who bullied her in public and private.
I told him and he wanted it to keep it between me and him. What does that tell you?
That second voice you hear faintly in the background is former Assistant City Attorney Mallory Bagby. This exchange is just one example, Bagby says, where her civil rights were violated while working for the city of Davenport.
Okay, well, that's your lawyer.
And that's one of the people named in the complaint, Alderman Tim Kelly. He and the city's civil rights director, Latrice Lacey, are the focus of the complaint. Both are black. Bagby says she was put on leave after alerting her supervisors about harassment and was eventually forced to resign last year. It's an unusual complaint, said Jill Zwagerman, a lawyer in Des Moines whose firm handles civil rights cases but is not involved in Bagby's case.
It is a little bit more unusual to have a race claim if the person is white. It doesn't mean it doesn't happen, but it is more unusual. And social science would tell us that generally white people are treated better in the workplace than minorities.
Meanwhile, Alderman Kelly has not responded to my text-seeking comment. Lacey referred me back to a lawsuit she filed against city leaders in December. In that case, which names Bagby, Lacey claims she was a victim of discrimination going back to 2018. Ms. Bagby's civil rights complaint is retaliatory and without merit, Lacey said in a statement. Ms. Bagby may be attempting to deflect my legitimate claims and to tarnish my character. Yeah, so for its part, I reached out to the city of Davenport today for seeking a comment and didn't get an answer. Meanwhile, Bagby referred questions to her attorney, who did not comment after I declined to show him how I got a copy of the complaint.
All right, Matt, thank you. And Bagby's complaint was filed in November and names 7 city officials in all.